Today I'm joined by Andrew Armstrong from FANUC UK. We're going to be talking about business as it stands at the moment for the company, and also an opportunity to purchase one of their Robodrill machines. So Andy, welcome to today's programme. How are things for you at FANUC in Coventry at the moment? Well, I was presuming you're based from home, as we see on the Skype.
Based at home today, Paul. Pretty much 4 days a week at home and 1 day in the office, because we do have a skeleton operation going on in our Coventry facility. We still build systems. We've readjusted the work patterns and workloads so that we can maintain some traction and movement in the systems that we're building for our customers.
I was going to say, you've got plenty of orders going through with recent times, so production can't stop on those, can they? I mean, you do have a lot of throughput through Coventry to satisfy not just the UK but a global audience.
Yeah, absolutely. That's not just products that we produce, Paul. It's the automation systems, bespoke systems that we're building for our customers as well. We are quite lucky in our new facility in Coventry, even though we've been in 3 years now, that as you know, we've got quite a lot of space, so we can safely spread the workload, the contact of or minimize the contact of our employees and the safety of our employees while we're building systems and preparing equipment for our customers.
Automation is a big topic, Andy, not just with yourself, but with many companies these days. But you are almost the pioneers of a lot of automation and robotics in some ways. So the market's changed a lot, and it's going to change even more as a result of this pandemic. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, I would, Paul. We've spoken before about a little bit of what's going to happen with this COVID-19 situation, the effects on business and businesses, how they view automation going forward, as well as looking at aspects and technology that will keep companies operating in the background should events be prolonged or happen again in the future. And one of those would be something along the lines of assisted reality, for us to use the likes of the technology of Google Glasses, virtual reality, to be able to help support our customers remotely.
Yeah, I mean, you've got some fantastic products coming through. We learn so much when we come to FANUC in Coventry and when we talk to your customers. The purpose, or one of the purposes of today's discussions, the Robodrill, a popular machining centre which over recent years has you've got more and more installations all the time. It's become a good seller for you and a good product for engineers. But at the moment, there's an opportunity for engineers to purchase one, I believe. Could you tell us more?
Yeah, we have. We've got some offers going out this week into the marketplace. Potential for medium bed and long bed Robodrills with 24 and 10K spindle speeds. Really minimized working hours, ex-demo models that we feel that this now is the time to be able to release those offers into the marketplace. Potentially, if we can get them into places that are producing products for fighting COVID-19 and diagnostic systems and healthy respirators, ventilator parts, that's even more important.
And with the machines, the ones that you're talking about, have they been involved in industrial machining as it stands, or have they just been used for demonstration purposes?
Just demonstration purposes, Paul, as well as educational activities. These are really machines with very low hours. Some of them have got less than 25 hours on the clock in terms of machining time. Power on hours a few more, but ultimately these are really almost new machines.
Okay, so for the specs of those machines, you need to contact FANUC UK, and you can do that via their website. We'll put some details on the screen. Andy, the Robodrill as a product has really cemented itself within industry as being a really good quick workhorse, hasn't it? And you mentioned the medical sector. They are perfect for machining those smaller, in some essences, complicated and harder material type components for medical sectors of pharmaceutical and so forth, aren't they?
Yeah, they are, Paul, as well as many other products and parts within many many industries and sectors. For us, it's certainly the Robodrill that we've seen. It's been a very successful model, certainly over the last 5 years. The growth of unit sales into lots of different marketplaces has really been unprecedented for us. And we're looking to cement that product in the marketplace going forward. There's a lot of parts nowadays that people are considering a Robodrill for that not necessarily would have been considered in the past.
And testament to that, we've spoken to a lot of your customers that had BT40 machines, purchased the BBT30 Robodrill and been able to tackle the similar sorts of challenges that they were doing on those BT40. I know it's application specific, but they are a pretty good stable machine tool these days.
Yeah, they are. And again, sort of traction into tool makers for blocking out work or machining on P20 steel. That the applications there where we can really get a machine with a small footprint, which packs a lot of power and punch and can deliver quite high cutting speeds and cutting depths to give our customers a competitive edge.
Good stuff. Andy, thank you very much for joining us today. We'll put some more details of the offer on the MTD website. You'll be able to see it on and throughout our channels, and also, of course, you can visit FANUC's website as well to see more details. They have a few machines available from stock. Talk to FANUC about the deals and catch up with us again soon on another one of our MTD news programs.